And welcome back. Beautiful last couple of mornings for Mass Ascension. Of course, a little breezy this morning. And yesterday morning, perfect conditions. This is a balloon from Saturday morning's Ascension. Marissa Stevens happened to capture this. And this is in commemoration of the 70th anniversary of, yes, the Wizard of Oz. We would love to see your pictures. Please send them to us, pics@krqe.com. And I know the pictures are out there. There were a lot of people out there this morning with cameras, me being one of them. For tomorrow morning, of course, this is actually for this evening. Of course, we aren't seeing a whole lot in the way of promising weather, unfortunately, for Balloon Fiesta. We'll probably see those winds get a little bit gustier, of course, as the evening wears on. Right now, we're sitting around 32 miles per hour. Gallup, 21 in Grants, 29 in Albuquerque. So the winds obviously have been a bit of a problem for us. Wind speeds not as strong down towards the south. Matter of fact, the strongest winds have been out here in the western reaches of the state. Around 44 on the gust side in Gallup, 29 in Grants, and 36 right here in Albuquerque. That has been a huge problem for the folks up at Balloon Fiesta Park, and thus the reason why the glow has been canceled for this evening. Temperatures, despite the winds, the temperatures are great. 74 right now in the Duke City, 71 in Santa Fe. We have 70s and 60s stretching across the northwest and down south. A few 80s still hanging on. A couple things going on here. One, we've got some steady moisture streaming into West Texas, and some of it is creeping up into the southeastern corner of the state. Matter of fact, we could see some of that sneaking a little bit further towards the Roswell area and Carlsbad as the evening wears on. And then we've got this bigger storm system off into the northwest that we're watching very closely. The first piece comes in, of course, tonight and into Tuesday. That's going to continue to bring us those winds. And the second piece, Wednesday into Thursday, that looks to dig a little bit further south. We're definitely going to see those winds. That is a given. The rain and the snow could be an added bonus, I guess, if you will. It's not the best news, especially with Balloon Fiesta this week. So right now, the status report on this, it is spinning over the northwest, right about Idaho, Utah area. And we're going to see the effects of this now through Thursday. And what to expect on this, of course, the windy conditions, the mountain snows, and the valley rains. Not to mention that the winds are pretty much a given. If we weren't throwing in the snow and the valley rains, the bust potential would be much lower. But we have kept that on the high side because that is still kind of iffy there. The winds are definitely going to be a given. So areas to watch tomorrow, the key areas anyway, will be right along the central mountain chain, the east slopes of the central mountains. So places like the Estancia Valley, back off to the northeast will be the key areas to see those strongest winds. In the meantime, though, we'll see those winds calm down in the northwest for this evening, and tomorrow the breezes will pick up yet again. Could see a few spotty showers, particularly south of the Tucumcari area. You see a little bit of rain there on the screen, but a lot of the activity rain-wise for this evening will occur down into west Texas. But we could see a few spotty showers popping up from time to time down here in the southeast. For the East Mountains tonight, it will be for the most part clear. 40s overnight, 70s for tomorrow. And the East Mountains for the metro area overnight will be in the 50s. And tomorrow's highs in the 70s. And unfortunately, the winds are going to be exceptionally gusty. We're talking anywhere from 15 to 30 miles per hour. Definitely not out of the question tomorrow afternoon for the balloon festivities. Santa Fe, 71 degrees tomorrow, 66 on Tuesday, 65 on Wednesday. And of course, tomorrow morning, Mass Ascension, it's looking a little bit iffy, unfortunately. See if those balloons will get off the ground. Now, this morning it was kind of teeter-tottering on that.
Right, you were there this morning. How was it?
There were a lot of balloons that got up, but there were some that chose not to go. So.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Here's a